Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to Manchanabele Dam, which is like 50 kilometers from Bangalore. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. One thing is, problem is there will be lot of dogs in the roads if you travel in the morning, and they will be like chasing you down. We started from Agara, as you can see, and we will be following the route. We'll cross Silk Board, we'll go to Jayanagar, then we'll connect to Nice Road. So guys, we are reaching Silk Board now. We'll be connecting BTM from there, then JP Nagar probably, and then from there we'll be connecting Nice Road. We are crossing Silk Board now and going towards BTM. So guys, we are near Bangalore metro station now. Soon we'll be joining the Nice Road. So it's around 5 o'clock in the morning. So as for Google Maps, we need to take a right from the next junction to connect Nice Road. So this one is Jaya Prakash Nagar metro station, JP Nagar. Okay, from JP Nagar we are taking a right to connect to my Nice Road. अरे यार कौन सा है? कौन सा? कितना भैया? सावंतुर्गा हिल्स, सो उधर. हाँ कितना देर हो गई? So this is Nice Road. We need to take the pass of 22 rupees for Mysore Road to go to Manchanabele Dam. It's same route for Savanduga Hills also. And guys, one quick tip: if you are traveling in a Nice Road in the night time, like or early morning time like this, 4:30 AM or 5 o'clock, please use hazard lights, because it will be more visible. And so guys, finally we are lost actually. I'm not sure which route Google Maps is showing, but the road I was heading was closed and it was like full of jungle area. So we are going back to that road and we'll ask someone what the route. So only 22 kilometers left. We were planning to reach before sunrise, so let's see if we can reach there. Right, huh? ये वाला आई थिंक मैसूर रोड है, ये मैसूर रोड है लग रहा है। So it's showing 13 kilometers only from here. Wow. ठीक है, सनराइज ऑलरेडी हो गया है, हम लोग थोड़ा लेट चल रहे हैं। यार रोड है यार, the roads are excellent actually. आई थिंक राइट जाना होगा। डेंजर क्यों लिखा हुआ है इधर? हम लोग आगे निकल जाते हैं सावन दुर्गा जाने के लिए, लेफ्ट से आगे निकल जाना होता है। भैया चाय होगा क्या? टी टी